Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected with the date and time and the time zone. However, we cannot change them manually because we are using these automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from this calendar. Tap on done if you are ready. The same situation with the time, just by swiping set the time you'd like to apply and tap on done. Just give it a second, it will change. Your device will change the hour on the status bar in a second. We can select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions, so just find yours and tap on it, for example Maldives. Here we've got it applied. What is more, what we can do here is the time format. So currently we are using the 12-hour format. If we want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher and it will be again immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you'd like to get back to all to previous settings, just by to set the date and time automatically, just tap on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.